there she is. Variety Big Birdie, 40 years later. 40 years old. It's taken me 18 months to rebuild it, so the test flying can start. We'll just have a real good look at it, you never know. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do today is a couple of hand launches just to see how everything feels and everything's going the right way. So what we should do for a start, as all good modelers to do, make sure that all your trims are going in the right direction, up, down, right, left, and spoilers. Spoilers are operational. We've got two levels of spoilers, one up too high. No, that's alright. That's okay. I don't know if you can see that. Down, halfway, full spoilers. Alright. I've got the throttle or engine brake and kill switch engaged, and all I want to do is just a hand launch. Just to see what goes. Looks okay. So we'll give her a bit of a chuckle and see what happens. Here we go. Elevator trim looks okay. That was just a bit of me. First flight wasn't long. Oh well, let's see what happens. Move the wing a bit. Well, it looks like she's pointing to the left. Alright, what we might hit the deck a bit hard. Wow, that looked alright. I've got it fairly nose heavy, so I think that's probably why it was dropping its nose. I had to keep poking the elevator into it. I've got a lot of throw on the rudder because I like to have lots of turn when I want it to turn. Do it again. Not a rudder throw, I think. happy with that. Very good. Very, very good. Before I motor it up and get it up in the air, I want to make sure that I've got enough rudder. I'll go home and check the trims. Next flight I'll use power. Lovely day here in Mildura. Bloody cold. Little bit of breeze now, as you can see by the clouds over yonder. But it was -1 this morning. Here. So we'll do it again. Do it again. Bit of breeze there now. That's it. Happy with that. Hobby King. Alright, one more. One more. Two more. Look at that. Beautiful landing. There you go. Alright, happy with that. Go home, check things out now. And next flight, we're expecting rain for a couple of days, that's why I'm out here today.